Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to delete videos on TikTok. So if you uploaded a video to TikTok but you want to delete it, I'll show you guys exactly how to delete the video in this video today. So first things first, you want to head over to the TikTok app. So you just want to click on the TikTok app on your phone and they'll bring you to your For You page. So let me head over there real quick. And once you click on your TikTok app, like I said before, it will bring you to your For You page. Here on your For You page, you're going to want to click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. It should look like a little guy there, and it should say profile. Once you click on your profile, you'll be brought to this page here. It'll give you all the information about your account, and it will also show the videos that you've posted. So you can look for the video that you want to delete. So I want to delete this anime clip right here. So what you want to do, you want to click on the video, and once you're on the video, you click on the three dots in the bottom right corner. It also might be the share option for you. Once you click on it, it'll bring this page up, and on this page, you're going to want to scroll all the way to the right on the bottom row. If you scroll all the way to the right on the bottom row, then it will bring you to this option right here that says delete. It should be to the very right of the row. If you click on that, it'll ask you if you want to delete the video, and if you just click on delete, then it will delete the video from your account. And that is how you delete videos from your account on TikTok. So it's pretty easy and simple. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.